Why the fuck is you in Target in the fucking shopping cart?
My feet hurt. That's the fuck why.
And why you in the toys aisle? What you getting?
Recording somebody. What the fuck is you doing?
What you getting out of here?
Shit for my kids. I need this pillow for my ass. My ass hurt.
What else you got in there? Like you just in Target. Wow, then you talking about he gonna steal. Yo, he out of pocket. Why you in here? I'm gonna have to push it, dumb here.
I got stop playing, man.
Who got you in here? Hun, let me get you some teddy bears and shit. Hun, the dog. Hun, that bitch heavy.
Damn. Why did you do something like that? I'm gonna call you back. Why did you doing Stitch? Why you doing like that?
Why you got all them dolls and shit around you? What's going on?